The Hoover washing machine comes with its own app to work with the one-touch washing machines. So if you download the One-Touch Wizard app, I've already set up the washing machine, so washer. If you click the sink and place it against the one-touch area on the washing machine, it'll download all the reports of what you've been using the washing machine on. So far I've had 3 programs, a total of 2 hours and 12 minutes, and I've run 2 different programs. I've run a rapid at 30 degrees, and I've also run a daily. Now it's saying at 60 degrees, but I actually run that. I reduced it down to 40 degrees. So I think it's using the default settings there. So it's sort of semi-accurate, but at least it gives you an idea of how often you're using your washing machine and how long you're using your washing machine for. You also have a Clever Care checkup. So you can check their diagnostic cycle. You can do an auto hygiene, filter clean, you can download the user manuals, and you can go to Help Online. It tells you how to get online. You've got all the regular programs and a description of what they are. So to activate one, click on the select program. You would click start, and then you'd place that on the washing machine, it would start. Or you can actually create your own. I want to create a quick 40 degrees. So confirm. Daily 59. So set the temperature. I want it to be 40 degrees. Next. Spin. Maximum speed. So I now have a custom program called Quick 40 for 40 degrees. And if you want, you can edit. And then to start, if you do select program, click start. Close the washing machine door, turn the knob to one touch and place it near the logo. Turn that up to 1 touch. And that's where the 1 touch area is. Made a noise, wait. So it's set it to 40 degrees, 1600 spin, and for 59 minutes. And that's a quick look on how to use the 1 touch feature on the Hoover Dynamic Next washing machines. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. There'll be more coming soon.